Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a messy curly bun in around 2 minutes. To start, you want to pre-curl the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs a little bit of movement. Then I'm going to section off some hair at the front to frame the face on both sides. Divide the hair straight across from ear to ear and pop the top section into a ponytail at the back of the head. Then pull up the bottom section and create one more ponytail directly underneath. Add some wax spray all over the top to control flyaways and add a little hold, and then gently pinch and pull the hair on top of the head for some more texture and volume. Taking those two ponytails, I'm just going to tie them together in a simple knot as if we were tying our shoelaces. And with the hair that's coming out of the top, I'm going to drape it over to the left hand side and secure with a pin. Next, secure the centre of that knot with a few more bobby pins. And with those tail ends at the bottom, I'm going to split them in half and create one more knot. So just tie them together, pull them tight so they sit at the bottom of that first knot, and again secure with a few more pins. Now if your curls have dropped, feel free to re-curl them, and then to really make them last, I've added some of this volume powder. I'll list everything I use in the description below. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.